Meet UBEE, the pinnacle of dental 3D printing innovation. Designed to revolutionize your practice, UBEE leverages cutting-edge MSLA technology with a powerful 16 megawatts per centimeter squared light beam and exceptional 95% uniformity. With a 405 nanometer wavelength and advanced XY resolution, UBEE delivers unmatched reliability and efficiency for every dental application. Equipped with a Smart Identification System, SIS, featuring NFC and ID sensing board, UBEE automatically detects resin tanks and build platforms, ensuring seamless operation. Its industrial-grade KK liner module guarantees precision and durability, driven by a high-precision ball screw and servo motor control system. UBEE sets a new standard in digital dentistry, enhancing workflow efficiency and enabling superior clinical outcomes. UBEE. Innovation elevated.